Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Undo and redo in Pixlr. So today I'll be showing how to undo and redo in Pixlr. So in Pixlr there's three ways to undo and redo. So first we're gonna mess this thing up. So color white, there we go. There we go. And boom. So to undo this, just click on edit, click undo, click on edit, then undo. To redo it, just click on edit, then click redo, click on edit, and redo. But that's the hard way. So the easiest way to do it, as you can see, is by clicking Control Z. So clicking Control Z, redo, and Control Z, redo. And the easiest way to undo it is by clicking Control Y. So let's try Control Y, redo, and Control Y, redo. There you go. And the other way, the last way to undo and redo, is as you can see on the bottom right, the history, you can click on it. If you go backwards to draw, it will undo it. You see, it is undoing it. But if I click on the forwards going down, it will redo it. And the fastest way to undo it is by clicking just a part of it, then click. As you can see, two of them disappeared. But when I click right here and I don't click this one, this will automatically join and be back. It will be also redo. Go, click on it, and there you go. It is now redo. I hope you guys learned something and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.